Hello, this is Sandro. Today I'm going to show you a little tiny project that changes my life every day. No, that's not true, but still, it's quite practical. So I bought a lot of TROFAST. It's this thing from IKEA, and it's basically a bunch of drawers that you can put in a box. It's usually for children's toys, but the problem is, when you make them all white, then you start to forget where you put your stuff, right? Wait. Can't find what there we go. Every single time I'm looking for something, I keep searching for a long time where I put it. But this problem can be solved by using labels. For convenience, let's take some self-sticking ones, add some text, hit print, and off to 2D printing. Simple enough. But the problem is, these TROFAST, they were made for children, so when you stick something onto them, it won't stick, it will just fall off, right? But luckily, this is the 21st century and it brought us 3D printing. So all we have to do is print a little cylinder, print a tag holder, put it with this side on top, and then we need to put this on here with a little help of a pair of scissors. And voila, here goes our label. We printed this separately so it could be printed more easily. And now we just glue it on the back. That's it, our label is ready. The label holder actually goes in one of these holes down there. Simply insert it, and that's it. And now all my TROFAST drawers are labeled and I can find my stuff and the labels don't fall off. And of course you can find all the 3D models on Thingiverse. The link is in the description below. And wait, where did I put my... Oh, right. Anyway, have a very nice day.